Welcome to Books, Dreams, and Financial Things, where we talk about marriage, blending our family, finances, and our dreams. We hope while sharing our journey, you can relate and learn with us and from us. Just stick to the 4 categories for your children: something that they want, something that they need, something to wear, and something to read.
Okay, let's slow that down. So you got 4 categories,
right?
And this is what you ask the kid?
Well, you don't ask them for all this. All you make sure to get that one thing that they want.
One thing they want. And this is for Christmas or?
For Christmas.
Okay.
And I know people who've done this, obviously. Like I said, I've done it like last year and the year before. This year, it just popped in my head that I'm like, I have gotten them nothing to read, which is important, I think, just to kind of keep that, open, and I'm interested in, reading books and all that. But something that they want. So something from that list. Now, mind you, it's not just, it could be one thing or it could be 4 things. You decide that. But you just stick to these 4 categories.
Okay.
So something that they want. That's going to be something from their list. Something that they need.
Something they need. Example.
A jacket. Like, for instance, Keone this morning was like, oh, I only have these 2 hoodies. And I'm like, yeah, we live in SoCal. He might need a jacket just for those really cold, mornings or nights.
Right.
So I started thinking, like, okay, that might be, you don't want to, I'm sure, I don't know if you've had a Christmas like this where it was like, everything was just like, clothes. No one wants just clothes, socks, underwear.
Right.
Because that's kind of like, this, But you do need those things. And so a lot of parents are like, well, this is the opportunity to give them these things. So you keep that as, part of the category. They might need underwear, whatever. And something they want, something they need, something to wear. And it could be the same. Sometimes those are the same. Something you need and wear. And then something to read, any type of book or book series or anything like that.
Okay, and it keeps it a little diversified.
Right.
Like diversifying your portfolio.
Right, and it keeps it simple. Then you just kind of stick to those categories. And so you're not like getting them so many toys, so many underwear and socks.
That avoids
so many,
that.
Right.
Right. Okay. With your kids in general. Okay. Yeah, that's smart.